guys, what is up? Happy Monday, you guys. I am so freaking excited for today's video. But first of all, I got a new collage wall behind me. I am obsessed with it. It's the Teza Collage Creamy Collage Kit. Love it. I'm just obsessed with it. I love all the neutrals, the browns, like just all these natural colors. And then I also got a new bed, which I'm just so excited for. I'm excited to put like a garland on it for when September 1st hits, because that is when I'm going to be decorating my whole entire house for fall. And I think I'm going to be doing like a big like decorate with me / fall shop decor with me. But you guys, the reason why we're here today, I went to Bath & Body Works today, and you guys, I was able to go and get a couple new things today. First of all, we just have to talk about these new poly bags. I guess Bath & Body Works is getting rid of the paper bags and they're switching over to these, which I was just completely shocked about. You guys are probably shocked about it too, because literally just yesterday I was able to get like the regular paper bags, but now we're here with these poly plastic bags. Yeah, I don't know, they just have a bunch of different sizes now, but I don't know, I just thought that was interesting today. So I'm quickly going to be sharing with you guys some of the things that I ended up picking up today, and then we're actually going to be getting into one of my favorite things and doing a review on it. But quickly, just want to share with you guys, I got the Open Sky body cream. I already have the spray and the shower gel in this, but they didn't have the body cream at the time, so I picked that up. And then I also got a Honey Wildflower body spray, as well as the body cream. It was buy 3 get 2 today. And then what I ended up getting for my free items today, which I'm so excited about, and what this whole video is about today, is the all new Fairytale by Bath & Body Works. You guys, when I was told that this was available, I literally completely like lost it in stores. I was like, oh my gosh, give it all to me. Right now they only had the shower gel and the body cream available, but I was like, you know what, let's just grab it. Let's make a little video on it, because I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know what this smells like and whether it's worth it or not. But again, I do have the shower gel and the body cream with me today. So Fairytale is an all new body care that's going to be launching, I'm guessing towards like the end of August. You guys, I'm just obsessed with this packaging. Like, look at that. Isn't that cute? Like, I just love it. It's so whimsical and just perfect for the fall time. So I'm gonna read you guys the notes. So we have pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and then warm amber. You guys, I wish we had the body spray to smell today, but we're gonna make do with what we have. So I'm just gonna smell the shower gel and just see how that is. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is heavenly. This is like a perfect like scent for just like later in the evening, just to kind of like unwind. Definitely gonna be taking a bubble bath with this, and then just, I don't know, cleanse my whole body with this, because this smells amazing. I can definitely smell like that amber in there. It's a very warm, inviting type of scent. And then we have the body cream over there. I'm loving like all the flowers and just the green on this packaging. So we're just gonna add a little bit on. I've also been loving this new hyaluronic acid formula in the body creams. I think it's very moisturizing. It makes the scent last longer on your body. Oh my gosh, yes. Absolutely love that, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna put like a little bit more on, because that is really good. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is definitely one you're gonna want to pick up. Once the body spray is out, I'm definitely gonna be picking that up, and I'm sure there's probably gonna be a cleansing mousse as well as a body scrub. So if we do get a body scrub, 100% I'm picking that up, because it's very warm, very inviting. It's also like a clean and fresh scent, which I just love. Oh my gosh, I love this so much, you guys. Okay, so on the shower gel, it actually says it's $14.50, so we're going up $1. And then on the body cream, it is $16.50. So you guys, Bath & Body Works is raising up their prices right now, which, you know, like at this point, I've just given up, you know? Like, I'm just here to accept it, because last year I think they increased prices. Like every year they're just increasing their prices more and more and more. It's gonna be sad when we get to the point where a body cream is gonna be like $20, but you know, right now we're just gonna make do with what we got. But overall, like out of 10, I give this scent probably like a 7. It's not like out of this world or anything like that, but I I just think it's a really good scent, you guys. I think this is gonna be a perfect transition scent as well from summer to fall. This is gonna be a perfect September scent. Yeah, I just absolutely love it. And what I do love about the body cream is that it does have hyaluronic acid and shea butter in it. I just love it. Rich, luxe texture for long-lasting moisture, leaves skin feeling soft, smooth, and replenished. Yeah, I literally don't have like anything bad to say about this scent. I think it's a really good one, and it's definitely one you're gonna want to have in your collection, especially just for the packaging. Like, I just think it's really cute, you guys. Like, alright, you guys, so that is gonna be everything for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, once this is out, go get it, because I don't think you're gonna regret it. I think this is a perfect scent for everyone. It has a little something in it for everyone that's gonna like just appeal to you, you know? Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm not leaving.